Hey guys, today I'm quickly reviewing the Geoid CC700 Pro and whether it's actually worth your money in 2026. So, I've been testing this budget GPS cycling computer for a while, and honestly, first impressions are pretty solid. You get a bright color touchscreen, quick GPS lock, and full turn-by-turn navigation with map support. For something in the budget range, the setup is surprisingly easy. Just pair it with the app and you're good to go. On the road, it performs better than expected. The GPS tracking is stable, ride data is accurate enough for casual and even semi-serious riders, and battery life comfortably lasts a long ride or two. I also like that it supports multiple sensors like heart rate and cadence monitors. But it's not perfect. The screen isn't super bright in harsh sunlight, the interface can feel a bit basic, and software features still lag behind Garmin or Wahoo. So, is it worth it? If you want premium features on a budget, yes, it's a strong buy. But if you want top-tier reliability, you'll still need to spend more.